We need to open the control software and keep it connected. Import picture. Prioritize PNG images for easy identification of RIP software layers. Select the image you want to print and click Open. Modify the size of the image to not exceed the size of the film. Here are 4 kinds of white formation methods, which can be selected according to the needs of users. Choose 100% white under any color pixel to print white ink. According to the outline of the picture, white ink is printed, where white is displayed on the preview pattern. Click on RIP. There will be 3 parameters in this, namely 8 pass, 12 pass, and 16 pass, which correspond to 3 different printing speeds and qualities. The higher the number of passes, the slower the printing speed, and the finer the effect. Suggest using 12 pass. Select whether to mirror according to printing requirements. DTF process requires mirroring. Automatically print after selecting RIP, and the machine will automatically print after successful RIP. If you manually print after selecting RIP, you need to successfully RIP the image and manually click Print. When the RIP picture progress bar is full, the machine will start printing. After the image is printed, the ink cart will return to the original point for resetting. This concludes the new client course. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your cooperation and support.